Adversity does not build character, it reveals it, so said James Lane Allen, a renowned American novelist. This quote encapsulates the essence of our topic today, Of Adversity by Francis Bacon, a prominent English essayist, philosopher and statesman of the late 16th and early 17th century. Bacon's essay, Of Adversity, provides a deep insight into the human condition when faced with hardship and trials. He begins the essay by saying, "It was a high speech of Seneca, after the manner of the Stoics, that the good things which belong to prosperity are to be wished, but the good things that belong to adversity are to be admired." Here, Bacon references the Stoic philosopher Seneca to introduce the idea that while prosperity brings desirable things, adversity brings admirable qualities. It's a subtle nod to the notion that adversity, while difficult, can shape character and build resilience. Bacon further elaborates on this idea by stating, "Virtue is like a rich stone, best plain set." Now, what does he mean by this? The rich stone Bacon refers to is a gem, which shines brightest when set in a simple ring. Likewise, virtue or moral excellence shines brightest in times of adversity, when all else is stripped away. Bacon suggests that adversity, in its raw and unfiltered nature, has the ability to bring out the best in us, to reveal our true character. Towards the end of the essay, Bacon discusses the importance of balance. He states, "Prosperity is not without many fears and distastes, and adversity is not without comforts and hopes." Here, Bacon acknowledges that neither prosperity nor adversity exists in a vacuum. Each comes with its own set of challenges and rewards. Prosperity, while seemingly desirable, can bring about fear and discontent, while adversity, though difficult, can offer hope and comfort. In summary, Of Adversity by Bacon is a profound exploration of the human condition in the face of hardship. Bacon suggests that adversity, while challenging, can bring out the best in us. He highlights the importance of balance, acknowledging that both prosperity and adversity have their own challenges and rewards. He encourages us to admire the good that can come from adversity, to see it not as a punishment, but as an opportunity for growth and character development. He reminds us that in times of adversity, just like a gem, our virtue shines the brightest. So as we navigate through life, let us remember Bacon's wisdom. Adversity does not define us, but rather it reveals who we truly are. It's not about wishing away the hard times, but about finding the strength and resilience within ourselves to face them head-on. Remember, adversity does not build character, it reveals it. So the next time you face adversity, remember it's not a test of your endurance, but a revelation